Hi, home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making Hawaiian pizza.
This homemade Hawaiian pizza is covered with savory sliced ham and caramelized sweet sticky pineapple, all browned to pizza perfection. This pizza has big and bold flavors, which means it also has some strong opinions.
The sweetness of the fruit balances the savory ham, all piled on top of a perfect soft and chewy crust. Pineapple might just be one of the most controversial pizza ingredients, but this recipe might just bring some of those haters to the other side. The sweet and savory contrast is elevated by the bubbly, stringy mozzarella cheese, tangy tomato sauce, and golden, sunny pops of bright, colorful flavor. Every bite is the perfect blend of bold flavors.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make homemade Canadian Hawaiian pizza.
To start this recipe, I'm going to make my favorite pizza dough recipe. If you want to see how I make my pizza dough, click on the link here, or you could use a store-bought pizza dough or make your own favorite recipe. To make the best pizza, use room temperature dough. Cold dough is much harder to shape and form into a flat round pizza. So if you've made your dough in advance and it's stored in the fridge, make sure to pull it out 1 hour before you want to use it. And no need to break out the rolling pin for this dough. Use your hands to gently stretch and form the pizza. And while not necessary to cook your pizza, using a pizza stone or pizza steel will help your home oven get that restaurant quality pizza crust. So while I'm making my pizza, I'm already preheating my pizza stone in the oven. When I transfer my pizza onto the pizza stone, it's going to release the heat energy into the pizza as it bakes. This makes for a crispier crust and better oven spring. To prepare my toppings, I'm going to drain 1 can of pineapple chunks and add them to my preheated pan over medium heat. Sprinkle over top 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt. I'm going to cook these down while stirring occasionally until the pineapples are softened and starting to caramelize. Now I can top my pizza dough with my homemade tomato sauce, grated mozzarella cheese, sliced honey ham, and finally my caramelized pineapple. If you're using a pizza stone like me, grease the top with a little bit of oil. Then, using a floured pizza peel, move the pizza to the stone or steel. If you don't have a pizza peel, you can improvise by using the back of a floured cookie sheet. And if you don't have a pizza stone, you can still make this recipe by making your pizza on a greased baking sheet. Then my pizza is ready to go into my preheated 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 245 degrees Celsius oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until bubbly and golden. Remove the pizza from the oven, slice, and serve. The salty ham and sunny sweet fruit is the perfect complement of flavors. This is a slightly sophisticated twist on the Canadian classic. The pineapple chunks are caramelized first to give your pizza a gourmet taste. No matter your age, pizza is a dinner indulgence that will bring the whole family to the table. The sweet and savory contrast is elevated by the bubbly mozzarella cheese, tangy tomato sauce, with the golden pops of bright sunny pineapple. Every bite is a perfect blend of bold flavors. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.